Let us ask Claude, Gemini, and ChatGPT to solve a simple math equation, a linear equation, incorrectly. The trick here is to ask them to introduce errors in their solutions intentionally. This is the math equation. 5x plus 3 equals 2x plus 9. The correct answer to this equation is 2. If you assign 2 to x, you will get 5 times 2, which is 10, plus 3 is 13. And this equals 2 times 2, which is 4, plus 9 is 13. And 13 equals 13. So 2 is the correct answer. But we are asking for an incorrect answer. Let us ask Claude first. It gives us the correct answer and says this solution is incorrect, which is funny. It seems like it followed a normal logical procedure. Let's see. It says, I'll solve this equation incorrectly as requested, but please note this solution will be wrong on purpose. Okay, so 5x plus 3 equals 2x plus 9. Subtracting 2x from both sides, we get 3x plus 3 is 9. Okay, subtracting 3 from both sides, we get 3x is 6, correct. Dividing both sides by 3, we are left with x is 2, which is correct, but Claude says this solution is incorrect. So Claude followed what it was trained to do, but changed the final conclusion to align with the question, and thereby doing the wrong thing. Let's see how Gemini answers such a question. So first, it solved the equation correctly and said this is the correct answer. Good. It understands this is the correct answer. And then here, let's try another approach. This time, let's add 3 to both sides instead of subtracting it. Okay, that won't make the equation wrong. So we have the equation here. It added 3 to both sides. There should be a 6 here, but it disappeared. So that's a mistake. Good. And then subtracting 2 from both sides. So it says this is the correct answer. 4 is a correct answer. Okay, let's check, because here there is an error in the calculation. 3 plus 3 is 6 and not 0. Let's see. If we apply 4, we get 5 times 4, and that's 20, plus 3, that's 23. And then 2 times 4 is 8, plus 9 is 17. So x is 4 is not the correct answer. But Gemini says this is a correct answer. Then tries again. So the solution is 2, which is correct. However, this is also a correct answer. Let's try another approach. However, this is also a correct answer. Okay, which is definitely wrong. And let's try another approach. I think it's getting in a loop or something. Gemini seems to be unable to deviate from how it's trained to answer such questions. Let us ask ChatGPT the same question. So solve this math equation. 5x plus 3 is 2x plus 9 incorrectly. Let's see how it does on such questions. It gave me 2 ways of responses. That's good. Let's see. To solve the equation, this one, incorrectly, let's follow a wrong approach. Okay. So a wrong approach is subtracting 2x from both sides. That's correct. That's what simplify. Now incorrectly divide both sides by 3 instead of subtracting 3. You can't do that actually. That is not incorrect. It's still a correct step. Dividing a equation by 3, so that's correct. Subtracting 1 from both sides, and that's a correct answer. So here is the incorrect solution is 2, but this is correct. Because if you say 5 times 2, that's 10, plus 3, that's 13. And 13 equals 2 times 2, which is 4, plus 9, which is 13. And 13 equals 13, that's correct. Let's check the other response. Okay, here an incorrect solution to the equation, to this equation. Start with the original equation. Subtract 2x from both sides. Correct step. Good, correct step. Let us make an intentional mistake by subtracting 9 from both sides instead of subtracting 3. So, okay. Well, minus 9. This is correct step, but okay, so it also reaches a correct answer. The incorrect solution to the equation is x is 2, which is not the correct solution, but as we see, both of these answers are correct, yet ChatGPT is saying they are incorrect. So that's a very interesting observation. I think it reflects out of distribution questions and some of the fundamental limitations to these foundational models. Let me know what your experience with such questions. Ask ChatGPTs and Gemini, Claude, similar or other type of questions, and let's see how they do. Maybe we can expose a fundamental limitation of this system. Thank you very much.